Hey, what if I tell you that there is a magical food option that can help you improve your digestive health, keep your blood levels right, take care of your heart, and whatnot? Want to know what it is? Hello, people. Welcome back to Vitality Plus, where you get answers to all your health-related questions. In today's video, we are going to touch upon the benefits of having avocados, the all-rounder food option that is good for your body, without a doubt. To find out the benefits of eating avocado, stay with us till the end of the video. Without any further ado, let's begin with the benefits. Number 1, nutrient powerhouse. Rich in all the nutrients your body needs, avocados are a veritable gift from Mother Nature. They are potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin C, all packed into one creamy container, like a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. When it comes to maintaining a robust immune system, healthy skin, and strong bones, these nutrients are like the finest buddies your body could have. It's as if you're giving your body a lovely blast of goodness when you bite into that delectable avocado toast. It's a small celebration of your health in addition to being delicious. Keep in mind that avocados are your body's way of receiving a big hug from nature. Number 2, healthy fats for heart. Disregard what you may have heard. Not all fats are created equal. Monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy sort of fat found in avocados, are a unique kind of fat. Think of these fats as your heart's superheroes. They quickly act to reduce bad cholesterol, which is great for your cardiovascular system. It's similar to having personal guardians for your heart. Avocados are an excellent and heart-healthy option if you're looking for one. Not only are they delicious, but they are essential elements of our nutrients, protecting your heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. Thus, the next time you indulge in avocados, remember that you're doing more for your heart than just enjoying the delightful flavor. Number 3, good for weight management. Avocados might be a useful tool if you are seeking to maintain your health or lose weight. Avocados' combination of fiber and healthy fats works like a friend to keep you full and satisfied, which reduces your tendency to nibble on bad foods. Not only is it a wise choice for achieving your weight goals, but it's also delicious. It helps you control your weight without sacrificing flavor. It's like having a tasty hidden weapon in your corner. Therefore, the next time you're organizing your meals, think about including avocados on the menu. Both your taste senses and your weight loss objectives will appreciate it. Number 4, glowing skin. When avocados are available, who needs expensive skincare products? Packed with natural antioxidants and vitamins that leave your skin glowing, these green marvels are like your skin's best friend. One of its superpowers, vitamin E, functions as a shield to prevent damage to your skin and preserve its youthful suppleness. So stop using expensive lotions and start eating avocados regularly. You'll notice a natural glow to your skin. It's not about going over budget. It's about savoring avocados' goodness for their radiant freshness. Avocados are here to make sure you can afford the greatest skincare products for your skin. Number 5, boosts brain health. Avocados are not just healthy for your body, they are also great for your brain. Avocados are a great source of folate and vitamin K, which improve cognitive function and maintain the health of your brain. With folate in particular acting as a kind of brain builder and being essential for brain growth, avocados are a wise choice for all ages. Avocados are like a pleasant snack that increases brain power, whether you're a student pounding the books or you just want to keep your memory sharp. Thus, the next time you're searching for a snack, grab some avocados. They are not only delicious, but also a brain food. Number 6, regulate blood sugar levels. Avocados might revolutionize blood sugar management if it's a difficult habit to maintain. Avocados include fiber and monounsaturated fats, which work together like a superhero team to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent unexpected highs and lows. Because of this, avocados are a great option for anyone, especially those with diabetes or those who wish to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Therefore, why not reach for a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly avocado instead of sugary snacks? Your body will appreciate the easy and delicious change that you make. Let us strive to make better decisions one avocado at a time. Number 7, improves digestive health. Last but not least, avocados are like a blessing for your digestive system. Their high fiber content is like a gentle nudge to your gut, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing uncomfortable constipation. A happy gut is like a well-tuned engine, ensuring better absorption of nutrients and overall improved digestive health. So, if you've been wrestling with digestive issues, why not think about adding avocados to your diet? They're like the friendly helpers that keep things moving smoothly in your digestive world. So, which of these benefits convinced you to incorporate avocados into your diet? Share with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and share. For more health-related content, subscribe to our channel right away. See you soon in the next video.